Okay, hello everyone. Start working. Yeah, okay, it's okay. I'll speak more louder. Okay, so hello everyone. Yeah. Thank you for inviting me for present in this conference. I'm very excited to go to Antalya. Very nice scenery, very nice environment. I really like Antalya. Thank you. Okay, so my name is Nur Hapiza. You can call me Nur, Dr. Nur. I'm from Malaysia, from Universiti Malaysia, in Selangor, Malaysia. Have you heard about Malaysia before? Yeah. Have you visited Malaysia? But our country is also nice. Yeah, we have a nice beaches. We have a nice forest, a big forest. Okay, so my title of presentation is Edutourism Augmented Reality Mobile Application for Forest Conservation. We have national parks, about 3 to 4 national parks in Malaysia, in our country. Okay, so so I have several agenda for this title, which start with introduction, the background of study, the methodology, the results, recommendation, and conclusion. Okay. So my research is about edutourism. So it's a combination of two powerful industries of education and tourism. Okay, which create a super industry that can positively enrich the lives of all involved. So we use the technology, which is augmented reality, which is the tools or device that have the ability to overlay information about the real environment that we hope can enhance the tourist experiences. So it's a tool. So the background of study, the project proposed using AR, okay, the short name is AR, in cataloging significant trees that serve as landmarks of the Malaysian National Park, or we call it Taman Negara, in Malay word. Okay, so visitors can then visit the area and learn about the trees using augmented reality devices that can project it on the tree, for example. Okay. I need to stand. So this is some introduction about the augmented reality. It is a technology that virtually places a 3D visual. You can see object in 2D, but this is a 3D, such as video. It's a 3D object, okay, into a real world experience. So this gives the user the appearance that the virtual object is coexisting with them in the physical world. It's something that visual, but you can see, but you cannot touch it. Just can see it. Okay. So AR allow users to experience with an enhanced view the environment with digital content such as 3D video player, okay, 3D model. So you can see the model in the TV, but yeah, you can touch a bit, but you cannot feel the object.
You can rotate the object.
Yeah, we can interact with the object, but just a virtual. Okay? An animation graphics model. If you heard about before this, there's a popular Pokemon Go, something like that. It's used augmented reality. Okay, so augmented reality is the computer modeling that enables the user to interact with a 3D object with animations or stimulate the sensory environment. Okay, so maybe you have a questions because Beside augmented reality, we have also virtual reality. But for our project, we think augmented reality is more appropriate to use because there's a difference between AR and VR, which is AR has a better sense of reality and better interaction. If anyone have a experience using a virtual reality? Yeah.
I have Oculus Rift.
Oh, okay. Yeah. In Facebook, we have a what we call that?
Yeah, is you feel that you are immersed in the environment.
Yeah, metaverse. Now in FB, Facebook, we have metaverse, which is based on virtual reality. I don't like that. I don't like virtual reality. Yeah. You will be in some virtual, but it's not real. But people some people enjoy it. But it depends on the individual. Yeah. Okay, VR only gives the user an immersive feel of the digital world. That's the VR. But for AR technology, it's performed well to enhance real life experiences, while VR takes the user into the digital world. That's the difference.
VR takes you away from real world. Yeah. But here, you both experience both.
Yeah. Yes.
Real world at the same time.
Yeah. Yes. That's the difference. VR tends to make you live in the virtual world. Try to cheating you with the virtual world. Okay. Okay, so in developing the devices, the AR, we have to use the methodology which we call rapid application development methodology. This is for, if you are familiar with computer science, this is one of the methodology we use in developing any system, devices, or tools. So we have a requirement phase, user interface design phase, construction phase, which is development phase, and cutover phase is like a maintenance phase. Okay, we in this phase we have to have a good communication with the user to know what's they love, what they hate about the devices. Okay. Okay, this is I think this is sorry. This is the architecture, how we develop the devices. These are the tools. Unity is the programming code, programming language. So meaning that to develop these devices, we need a good skill in programming. Okay, and this is all the tools for develop the devices. Okay. So how does it work? The application hovers the camera and captures the image through the camera. For example, camera from your mobile phone. Okay. So using AR core technology, the idea is pre-processed to different size of width and height of the photos to make sure it transports the feature correctly and tracks the image properly. So with the camera, we track the image, and then it will implement the image tracking and detect the image directly without involving AI technology. This is direct from AR technology without involving with AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. So we don't need the AI programming. So it will analyze the image through a tracker script, identify the image, and produce the correct 3D model on the detected image composed of the target. Once the image is detected and identified, the application will render, meaning that it will process the 3D model, then verify the target status by the tracking library. Finally, the output is a 3D video model on smartphone devices. That's the results. Okay. So for the design of our devices, we will show the three classes of tree, the three types of trees, which is this is the name in my own language, Tualang, Mengkuang, and Mengkudu. This is the name of the trees. Okay, that we will use for this project. So this application has only one activity, which is the AR image tracking activity. Okay. So the idea is in the forest, we will put some QR code, and the tourists will scan based on the QR code, and the video that explains about the trees will appear in your mobile phone. So you don't need the tourist guide to explain for you. It's just you and your handphone. Okay. So for our projects, we only choose for the first phases, we only choose 3 trees. Okay. Okay. But here, yeah, the user must hover the phone camera on the image using your smartphone. The application will produce the 3D model on the image. In this case, we use 3D video. Okay. Oh. It's automatic. Yeah. Okay. So this application has 4 functions. The play button that you can play the video. The pause button, if you have something that you want to pause, you can pause the video. Reset button, if you want to reset to see again, and the stop button. Okay. So if the application has produced the model, the user should see the 3D video player. Okay. So this project develops an application that can detect and track the image. It's integrating tourism with mobile augmented reality, which we hope that give tourists added value by enhancing their experiences while touring without any additional tools or requiring them to have a tour guide to fully experience the tours. In education, you can do this in your classroom. You can adapt the idea in the classroom using the augmented reality. So I think the student will like it. I mean, because this is their era. All the augmented reality, the virtual reality.
We bought 2 books for my little younger with the augmented reality.
Yeah.
And it was mathematics
Yeah.
and language. And the problem was that she said it's quite difficult to hold the telephone all the time.
I see. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, well, it's great in the life.
Yeah.
So they are motivated.
Yeah. Yes.
With learning by this.
Yeah.
By this way. But there are some
That's yeah.
because
Is it good to
they are small, but telephones and they have it even for a mature for a adult to hold a telephone for a long time.
Yeah.
Just maybe 15 minutes.
Yes. Yeah.
But for children who are very small, it's
I see.
it's hard work.
Uh-huh. Oh, so we need more research if we want to use it for the children. But for the adult, it's okay. I think we can hold it for a long time.
Another drawback, I think, is we cannot keep our attention longer than 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Not more.
Yeah, yes, yes, you are right.
Being this
Yes.
reality, to be attentive.
Yeah,
Not
to focus.
to be focused.
Yeah. Should be a limitation of time.
But I think that the future is defined.
Yeah, okay. I have some demo, but it's not so good. But I think it's okay for the demo. And then it's not working.
The video.
Yeah.
On the video.
I press on the video.
Double click on the video.
Black.
Black bullet.
Yeah. Yes. Yep. Oh, accidentally.
It's quite slow.
It's slow. It's slow. Yeah.
From the 18th century. That's the
What happened? Because of the laptop. Because in my laptop it's okay. There's no problem.
Not so many of us. Yes, you may show. No problem. If it's a mobile app, can we download for that?
Pardon?
Can we download the mobile app?
Oh, you mean the
The AI.
apps? It's not ready yet to download. Yeah. It's taking time. Yeah, then it stopped. It's not very slow.
Oh, yeah, I know that. But it's 18th century.
So the idea is, as I mentioned earlier, that yeah, we can walk through the forest, and if anything that have the QR code that we can that have the augmented reality, so the tourists can scan, and the 3D video player will play in
Get
the
information about that.
yeah.